How to make homemade croutons. Cut bread into cubes. Toss with olive oil, a pinch of salt, garlic powder, and herbs like oregano or parsley. To make Parmesan crisp, spoon grated Parmesan into small mounds and flatten slightly. Toast in oven or pan fry until golden and crispy. Toss shrimp in olive oil, salt, paprika, garlic powder, and lemon zest. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Grill shrimp 2-3 minutes per side until opaque and slightly charred. Caesar-inspired dressing. Plain Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, grated Parmesan cheese, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine romaine, radicchio, and spinach. Toss with Caesar-style dressing until lightly coated. Add grilled shrimp and croutons. Garnish with Parmesan crisp on the side or broken over top.